Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about how to get AirTalk Wireless free phone and tablet. You can get free phone and tablet if you are successfully enrolled in AirTalk Lifeline program under certain conditions. The offer is available only for first time enrollment. How to apply for Lifeline program? Step 1. Eligibility criteria. If you participate in any of these programs, you may be eligible for additional government assistance. However, keep in mind that eligibility criteria vary for each program. Medicaid or medical. Income must be below a certain percentage of the federal poverty level (FPL). Eligibility varies by state. Example, in California, adults can qualify if income is up to 138% of the FPL. Food stamps, SNAP or Call Fresh. Household income must be below 130% of the FPL gross and 100% of the FPL net. Certain deduction, example housing cost, childcare can increase benefit amounts. Applicants must complete an eligibility interview and provide verification. Supplemental Security Income SSI. Applicants must meet specific income and asset limits set by the Social Security Administration. For 2024, the maximum federal benefit rate is $1,064 per month for individuals. Countable resources are generally limited to $2,000 for individual and $3,000 for couples. Federal Public Housing Assistance or Section 8. Household income must not exceed 50% of the area median income AMI. Citizenship status and criminal history may affect eligibility. Tribally administered temporary assistance to needy families TANF. Families are required to engage in work or training programs. States may impose time limits on how long families can receive TANF assistance. Tribal Head Start programs may prioritize children with disabilities or other special needs. Address proof, acceptable forms of identification, U.S. driver license, certification of U.S. citizenship, certificate of neutralization or citizenship, U.S. passport or U.S. territory passport, foreign passport, U.S. government military state or tribal issued ID must include date of birth and or social security number or tribal ID. U.S. military ID card includes active or reserve duty, dependent of a military member, retired member, discharged from service, medical or religious personnel. Common access card only if designated as active, military or active reserve or active selected reserve. Military discharge documentation must include date of birth or social security number or tribal ID. Northern Marina card or permanent resident card. Permanent resident alien card must be unexpired. Proof of government benefit participation. Current income statement, paycheck stub or W-2. Statement of benefits from a qualifying program must contain name and address. Current mortgage or lease statement or utility bill. Current or prior year statement or benefits from a qualifying state, federal or tribal program. Notice letter of participation in a qualifying state, federal or tribal program. Unemployment or workers' compensation benefit statement. Permanent resident re-entry permit. Program participation documents. Official document evidencing participation in a qualifying state, federal or tribal program. Unemployment documentation includes notice of unemployment benefit payment or notice of successfully submitted application for unemployment benefits. Copy of last year's state or federal income tax return. Social Security benefit statement or Veterans Administration benefit statement. Retirement or pension benefit statement or divorce decree or child support document. Steps to apply for enrollment program. Step 1. Select phone. Go to phone page, select the phone you want to buy, click select button. Step 2. Enter zip code. Enter your zip code, click Apply New button. Step 3. Select your plan. Select the plan which suits you. Click Select Now button. Step 4. Select your device. On the next page, select Free Phone tab. Choose your design, click Select button. Step 5. Agree to terms and conditions. Agree to the checkbox, click Agree button. Step 6. Check eligibility. Enter required information such as personal information, contact information, and social security number. Mark the checkbox and click Next button. On the next page, enter your address, mark the required box and click Continue button. Follow on-screen instructions to provide required details. Step 7. Check application status. Go to AirTalk application check page, enter your registered email address, zip code, and last 4-digit social security number in the respective text box. Click Submit button and check the enrollment status. Once order is approved, you will get the free phone along with SIM kit. Contacting customer support. If you have any issues checking your status online, you can also contact AirTalk Wireless customer support at 855-924-7825 and provide them the required details such as name, email address, last 4 digit of SSN number and zip code. They can provide you with the latest update on your application and enrollment process. How long does AirTalk Wireless take to approve? Typical approval time 20 to 30 minutes. Most applications are approved within this time frame. Extended approval time 3 to 4 days or longer. Some applications may take longer to process. This delay is often due to the need for reconfirmation of your proof of documentation. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.